This was 3 weeks ago. It says, is there any hope left for Wish stock? Wish has fallen below $1 a share, which we knew there. 3 weeks ago, it says Wish struggled and continually declined the number of shoppers, plunging revenues and ongoing losses. It was also banned from France last year for allegedly selling dangerous and counterfeit products. And that's some of what you see as far as on comment boards and things like that, what users of the site have said. So you have that going on, so that's not a good thing for it. Also, post-pandemic slowdown in online sales exacerbated all the pain because you have a thinning economy. Maybe during Christmas that might pop it up a little bit with what's going on as far as that people will try to go to that site maybe to save some goods, but it's only going to be a temporary Band-Aid before some of the bleeding comes out for a lot of these stocks as value starts to disintegrate and the economic conditions deteriorate more there. It looks like the founder and CEO, Petro Skuvetsky, stepped down this Friday. That a lot of things didn't go well there. His successor, former Foot Locker executive Vijay Talwar, lasted a mere 7 months before resigning in early September. Joe Yan is an operating partner in Wish investor GGV Capital and is now serving interim CEO. Is there any hope left for Wish? One of the most downloaded shopping apps in the world at the time at its IPO, or is it is the stock's going to seep below $1 threshold and eventually be delisted, which we are at that point. Wish initially differentiated itself from Amazon and other retailers online by selling cheaper products, but it actually accomplished that by sourcing out most of its products from the Chinese sellers there. And have you seen? Obviously, you've seen a lot of people going online, and why Walmart and some of your Amazons, they want the barcode now. They want your barcodes to be scanned in and things like that, just because they are not going to let some of these counterfeit products, which you're seeing come out of your of some of the China market there. The business model shows 3 glaring weaknesses. First, when a long time received products and process returns. Second, lacks of quality control allowed unscrupulous merchants to sell low-quality products, counterfeit products, and the cross-border platforms, including Amazon's third-party marketplace, Alibaba, AliExpress, and Pinduoduo's Temu, enable Chinese merchants to sell their products overseas. Moreover, 3 larger rivals can access logistics networks that are much more efficient while maintaining tighter quality control than Wish. So that was 3 weeks ago. So you're seeing pop up. Now, I've seen on some analytical charts that going forward that with some of these, that some of this was insider buying, supposedly today's buy up here. I'm not sure here. So, I mean, that's just what some people are saying. But let's go to where the real traders are at. Going on to StockTwits, because that's where the real traders are at. You got 71,062 watchers on the board. Going on to the first comment here, and there's lots of bulls here. It looks like Hockey 5943 writes, "How god awful is this marketing? Never had less faith in this company, and I don't know what they're thinking. Hopefully it works out for once." PS 4007 said, "Stop reversal continuation. It's unlikely there's another day tomorrow." So, and then you have your juicy commercial of the spicy scrimp from the vibrant flavor of McCormick. Check it out. No, I'm just kidding. Looks like J65 writes, "The short sale volume, not short interest for stock ticker Wish, 24% October 17, 2022. That's one of the things that I brought up there, guys, because like I said, you do have that some people have posted that there is some insider trades there is what's happening, why you're seeing that. It could be some of the shorts there. Some people are trying to get out to pump up the jam on the news. 24 Millionaire says he can't catch a break. This isn't appealing to women or men. I fully expect this stock to be hitting new lows. A lot of people here are looking that it's possibly, and many people are saying that's a possibility of being delisted. So we'll have to see where that plays out. That is some comments that some people are putting on the board. I didn't say that. I'm seeing it all over the web. I was following Snap, and during the during the IPO went from 32 to 5 the first 18 months. People are saying the same thing: delisting, bankruptcy, dilution. Well, Wall Street pumped this boy up from 5 to 85 in 2 years. I'm not saying Wish is going to 30 or 20, but I think it's time to buy the stock below cash when negative expertise value the positive news. Ride with 2 times sales, cash on hands. I think Bender Rock 37, he's got a good point. If they decide to turn this around, their main thing is the allegations of counterfeit products and things like that. If they can turn around and get some quality control, he's possibly right. You could see numbers that you did see before, or if they don't work it out, then you're going, because that's the specter in the room. The specter in the room is the counterfeit, the alleged counterfeit products that are appearing there and the lack of quality controls. We're not going to read that comment. Looks like, let's see what we got here. Another hipster girl featured in a Facebook video. Let's see. SYT 101 says they're going provocative, edgy marketing seems to be deliberately trying to make people uncomfortable to get an attention. This video was 3 days ago and 3 times as normal. It shows how to install and remove a door lock for protection. There you go. They keep having the same women with edgy face paintings in the videos, sometimes skull face, yesterday the black swan. Today's Facebook, Instagram video. There you go. You have all these, so, you know, guys, maybe they're just trying to lower it before, maybe he is right. Maybe they're trying to tank Fu, and everybody's jumping in, and then they're either going to short it, pump it up to short it. I don't know. All speculation from me right here, but it does raise questions on some of the things here. Don Coleon 47 says, I wish I had a idea behind the ad, but the execution was bad. No one can relate to the guy looking creepy, like a creepy punk clown. I want to punch his face. Why not have a recognizable, reputable character for the masses to relate to? Fail. Hopes it works, though. Good point. Current aspect on the numbers, they now have another ex-owner listed picture. Looks like toots have been increasing. Okay. I really don't understand why all of you are so excited about the ads. It only means they'll burn more cash that they don't have. Nothing will improve, and something is about to change about the business model. Running more ads will not help. That's bank run 1. Yes, running at more ads won't help because it just keeps on spending the advertisement dollar-rooskies. If you can recall one company, people thought they were doing good in window dressing and things like that. It was called Boston Market. What happened to Boston Market that got them into trouble back in the day? And that was BCE West, is that they spent a lot of dineros on advertising, and people thought things were good because that was coming in, but the advertising hurt that company. So that's something to think about too there. Wish current, there you go. You have that there. Wish crackhead hasn't sold in a week. Is he done? That's from Goldman Slaps. What else do we got here? This will have made many new millionaires when the war and supply shortage issue ends. Wish. I follow you. That it's actually not that bad of a comment, considering, like I said, that you do have the aspect of if they turn around this counterfeit and other allegations that are having, this thing could possibly turn around here. So there's no reason to give up, especially when you're in the cheaper seats so far. Wish, the end of the day, resources to review over. Game changer. This is from Green Lion. One-liner Chrome extension add-ons. The Chrome... Let's see. Okay, you also have, looks like ads coming back till December 30th. The Force Smiles campaign. This is from Platine 83 says, Platine 83 says, the Force Smiles campaign and the second installment of Wish's rebranding campaign is in August of this year. New part of the campaign and series of advertisements include both video, audio formats will run across the digital TV, streaming radio, and social platforms in the UK, US, and Italy, Canada, and Australia. 7-week campaign kicked off October 15th, tied with the peak planning and buying period of the festive holiday period. TV streaming audio going live to all regions until December 30th. So you have that. And then you also have how I'd like to describe the new ad for the solid idea, but horrible executed in my opinion. Felt like I was tripping acid while watching it. That's awesome there. Mike Wazowski 44. I like that one. This board is awesome. It is almost like what's it called? The Phi board. It's pretty sweet. Short squeeze by Friday. I'm you know what, Bolak, I'm thinking so, man. I'm that's not that far of a reach there. Let's see what else you got there. I'm not gonna say anything. This is so embarrassing. This is from Hugh Jass Wins. He's always on some of the stocks here. Derelix says, Wish. Is this the new face of Wish? First they tried a mermaid. The stock then tumbled down. Then they changed it to the spotted dude with a choker. And then the stock price went down again. Who's in charge of the campaign marketing? Yeah, I think that's what a lot of people are thinking right now with all this stuff going on there. So that, and this is you're getting the takes of real traders that are trading this. They come in hot and they do this because they're actually involved in the stock and they're giving their input. So if you're new to trading, obviously do paper trading. Don't jump into something that is in the subs right now unless you know what you're doing there. Daniel019, great take here. I'm buying this at $8. I was buying at $8, continued to fall. So like everyone else was averaging down. The real problem is earning reports of disappointment. Then it became apparent that the arsehole CEO, Peter Blank Conman, was going gun crazy on advertising and basically burning through a lot of money, rate knots that looks like cook the books. I blame Purot entirely for all the losses. Shizzy Smack and Head Shoulder could be seriously investigated. He's got poop. So there you go. So you don't have a lot of people happy on this board. You have 71,000. A majority of them are pissed off. We're just going to have to see how this plays out. This board is reminding me similar to December when people were upset and we saw losses before. Hopefully things will turn around for everybody and everybody will have a better trading time. So we're going to go on to the next and see you in 2 and 2. We have one more stock we're going to talk about because I'm not going to do this show by myself all night. Peace. The next stock we have is IS, Iron Source Ltd. Hey, I've got a picture right here because we have Cameo on. Cameo, you in San Francisco or what?
I'm in San Francisco.
Oh, you are? There's a picture of them right there. Yeah, I've got some hurricane pictures here too, but we'll get to those. I'll upload those for you guys for the show. Some pretty dang neat stuff. Anyway, go on to the stock. IS, Iron Source Ltd. Last tick was $3.31. Going to the charts, we have some resistance popping up now. We're not going to go back to the year-to-date 2021 because you know what happened and you know the thing. You know what he's talking about. Going into, if you didn't get that joke, then I don't know what your, Iron Source Ltd. is the business platform app economy, the platform that helps app developers grow and engage users, monetize content, and analyze and optimize business performance. The company was founded by lots of people and is headquartered in Tel Aviv, Israel. Going on to the news here, Cameo. Let's go and check it out on the Google machine. Go right to the machine here. What do we got? How's San Francisco, man?
Psychopath. He's a psychopath.
Did you get any sourdough bread or what?
I got sourdough yesterday.
No sourdough bread? Observer. Never mind. We don't need their... Is Iron Source Ltd. skating on ice? We know the answer. Okay, is it worth investing, they say, with him right now? So first off, red flag on the article. If someone's saying to you, is it worth it to invest right now? That should raise you red flags. They might have an interest in there. But we'll go into what they say there. They say that the stock price is earning averages above. We're just getting pop-ups galore, dude. We're going to have to get out of here in a second on this one there, Camille. This is just going through numbers. I'm not going to really cover anything on this one. Let's see. Oh, we have a Motley Fool last week. The news here. It says why Unity Software, AppLovin, and Iron Source stock crashed in September. The three companies considered a couple different merger ideas in recent months. September brought some clarity to the complicated situation, and some investors may prefer an all-out bidding war. What happened? Shares of Unity Software pledged 25.4% in September, according to the data for the S&P Global Market Intelligence. The stock broadly followed the general market downward in a period of challenges to the U.S. economy. Camille, I'm thinking that some of the challenges are going to be happening more and more, Kevin, here, right?
Yeah, there's gonna be some serious challenges nowadays.
It also says with Motley Fool, it says Unity is pursuing 4.4 billion stock swap merger with Iron Sources since mid-July. AppLovin, not to be confused with McLovin there, right?
Make loving with some.
Is this... What's that?
Make loving. Gotta give her some rubbing.
Can't say that, dude.
Huh?
I had to cut that off, dude. We can't say that.
How can you say McLovin?
You
Gotta
can't
give her
say
some
that.
loving.
It'll get freaking. You get a strike against you, dude.
No, do we?
I got to remember that. What? Okay, so Unity's board of directors quickly rejected the AppLovin's merger, doubling down the company's commitment of the Iron Source deal. AppLovin's considered raising a bid for a few more weeks, but officially abandoned the option for September 12th. Unity's shares fell 13.4% next day, appearing on the steepest single drop of the month. When it was all said and done, Unity took a 25% haircut. So basically everything was shaved off, and AppLovin, not to be confused with McLovin, lost 20.9% and suffered a 15.9% drop. What do you have to say to that so far there, Kage? Is that something that's bringing up, or sorry, Camille, bringing up a red flag with you there?
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit of a red flag. I don't know. I'll keep reading. I'll let you know if I got a full one or half one or what I think, you know?
I'm going on to the twits now. I got to switch it over. Commercial break for me.
My
Because
sister
I have to go
said,
back and forth. This is the stupid part. My sister said.
yeah.
This is what you like. This is the part you like, is when we're down a comment reader, it really sucks. That kid's always got a bad stomach, or I'm like, eat right, dude. You know? He doesn't take care of himself, dude. And he always
What
gets
happened to your
I never
friend?
met a kid that has a stomach flu.
What happened to your
Huh?
friend, dude? What happened to your other
Which
friend?
one? Oh, Holden's got a thing with his family or something.
Oh, does he?
So he worked today, though. Okay, guys, so going on to Stock Twits, because that's where the real traders are at. We got Hedge Social. He says, Iron Source LTD is trending on Reddit. So everybody jump on Reddit and check that out. Take Control. Let's see what else we got here. Really can't think of a reason would continue to go down. Those on here begging for PR merger should understand that the paperwork filings required after the vote was completed. This can take 2 weeks. Earnings are less than a month away. I wouldn't be surprised if we don't hear anything until the end of the week before. I would, however, continue to stack until, regardless of stock price times, it'll make this look to break your dollar Ruskies. That's your choice. I'm durable, so that's the Spider King. So Spider King's coming in hot there,
King,
huh?
Yeah, coming in hot.
Yeah, the Spider King. I wonder if that would. You think that was Kage getting on there trying to fake it or something, or what?
Oh, probably.
Warming up in the bullpen. There's not.
Half of the time.
Yeah, a lot of people are not digging. Biden is getting trolled on this board hardcore, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I just clicked on an ad by accident. Whoops. Yeah, go figure, dude. Well, when you piss people off, they're gonna always.
What does that mean?
So proposal was approved. That means we can't say things we can't say. Go look at it. Go YouTube it or something, or Google it. Maybe go to Loza or what's the other guy's name?
I don't know.
There's another guy that has the song too. You can figure it out that way. Mike says 2014. Finally, BTC is profitable from 390. 7 cents. I started ignoring everyone's advice and followed my gut plan. Now I only have Apron. Only would cooperate. So he's going back to the Apron there. He's going to that. Which said he was finally right with this and Apron. So that's interesting. That's Trader Mike. Spider King says should be the results come out and the merger deadline is behind us. Buy it. So Spider King's all in. He's going to buy on this. So there's Ticker on, like Kage says, and he always brings his receipts. A good trader will not miss this. IS enters an uptrend momentum. Indicator exceeded 0 level October 4th. View odd. That guy's funny. And I'm not talking about Ticker. I'm talking about your other guy there, huh, Kage? Or, sorry, Kameo.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So there's a lot of people saying this is the time to lock and load. I would disagree if since it was up right now. I tend to like to buy on the low end. What about you there, Kameo?
I love to buy on the low. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so
All the time.
guys, keep your eyes out for this one. There's an article here on Yahoo Finance. What does this say? No, this is just promoting other crap. So, yeah, we're just going to have to see how some of this news plays out. I think this is definitely one to put on your watch list, Camille. What do you think?
What do you mean? What do I think? I always think positive, 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 you know? Some days I don't know what to
Positive.
think because some days I don't know what to think.
Is it just because of Kage or what?
Yeah, I like to stay positive because of Kage, yes.
Kage's always coming in hot and bothering you there all the time, huh?
Yeah. He's bothering me right now.
Well,
he's
we're out of
stomach
this.
flu.
Yeah, he's out with the stomach flu. Hopefully, Mommy gives him some chicken noodle soup and he'll be all better. Do you have anything to add about tonight's show? We got more stocks tomorrow, and hopefully we have a wingman. So the show will flow better there. Anything you got there at all?
Got to run with the flow. No, I don't know what to tell you.
Oh, look at this, dude. Cameo, you just sent over. They can't see it on there because of the green screen there. But we had some good picks there. Maybe I'll put it in my hurricane collage, dude, that I'm gonna upload. So, but don't make it a dog show. And good night now.